We have seen Pisagua under the water, and now we are ready to see Iquique from the sky. Iquique is a coastal city in northern Chile to the west of the Atacama Desert. A prosperous saltpeter mining town in the 19th century. Today, it's a popular holiday destination with a tax-free port area, Pacific beaches, and a seafront casino. Running towards adventure and not away from it, Theodora and Vicente decided to escape from the ordinary and see Iquique from the sky. The ocean and the sky provide a clean, flat line, where the earth seems to meet the sky. It's hard to tell the difference between sea and sky, between traveler and adventurer, between reality and dreaming.
Iquique is a very safe place to fly, a very easy place to fly, and that makes it a very dangerous place to fly.
Alan is a pilot who arrived to Iquique attracted by the good slide conditions.
First we search for height. If you are higher than the dune, we go to the beach. If you are not higher than the dune and we don't find any height, then we land on the dune.
Now he is in charge of checking the weather conditions before any flight takes off.
Because the ocean tells me we have a diversion, we have high pressure from the air, so the dark line doesn't go up. We have pressure from both there. If that stops a little bit, we have better conditions. Then also we have more wind coming in, you see it's getting darker from outside. If it's getting dark out there, it tells me I have about half an hour to 40 minutes until the strong wind reaches the coast. So I have time enough to land with tranquilidad, with safety.
Theodora will fly with Patricio, known as Pato, an experienced pilot since 1995. Vicente will fly with Jacob, known as Cano, who at the age of 14 he started flying and now he has more than 5,000 hours of flying.
¿Aquí? ¿Por los nuevecitos? No, mira.
The dunes are so huge and make you feel safe, but in order to cross the city and land on the beach, they have to get enough height. For Pato and Theodora is easier, as they are lighter. They reached the height they needed to fly above the city. Now they are approaching the beach for a safe landing.
pero... ¿Todo bien? Bien. Bueno, para ser novato no soy tan mal. No. Estamos parados.
Vicente and Cano had a smooth landing.
This is good.
Theodora and Pato are approaching the beach, enjoying the last moments of this amazing experience.
Tell the truth, you never wanted me.
That's why thank you.
¿Dónde está?
If you liked this video, please follow us on Patreon to watch the next episodes.